How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So if you want to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup, then just follow the steps. First, you need to open up your file manager. After that, scroll down, go with internal storage. Here, find the Android folder. Tap on Android and then tap on media. And here you will have a WhatsApp folder. Tap on com.whatsapp and then again tap on WhatsApp. And here you will have databases, backups, media and every other options, right? So you just need to simply go with databases. Here you need to select all of these. Once you've selected all, now you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on copy or move to, any option that you're comfortable with, and then go with the folder, which is backups, and here you need to paste that. Once you've pasted, then you will recover all of your deleted messages on your WhatsApp without backup. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.